Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to see how we can increase PHP version and limits in your panel. Let's get started. First, log into your hosting panel, DirectAdmin. On the dashboard, click on Search for Pages. In the search box, type Select PHP version. You can also find it by scrolling down. Click on Select PHP version. Here you will see your current PHP version. Click on the drop-down and choose the required PHP version. Then click on Set as Current or Apply. On the same page, click on Options or PHP Options. From here, you can increase important limits: memory limit, upload max file size, post max size, max execution time. Set the values according to your requirements. Scroll down and click on the Save button. The changes will be applied instantly. Refresh your website to check the changes. You can also verify using PHP info. If the limits do not change, it may be due to plan restrictions. In that case, contact support. If you face any issue related to Google Host, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.